dudes, and welcome to today's episode of Keep That Guy's Way. Nice to see ya. Hey, you know what? I gotta be honest with you. I joke a lot about my situation, and I'll tell you why. It's because, you know what, stress is, when we have to deal with safety situations that's as big as mine, someone that's supposed to be in the Marshals Federal Witness Protection Program, and I'm dealing with organized crime all the time. Plus, I got all these rat tail assholes in trouble with Congress. I'm telling you, dude, my safety situation is massive. But like I said, the motive is these children. Now, one is my son, little Adrian, or Cyrus Adrian Safavi is his legal name, and then his half sister, Brooke Bahar Safavi. So I said, I think that they've killed her mother. I'll be honest with you. I think they've really killed her mother. I think that they've taken Brooke, and Tabitha Mueller's dead. And they did that. They were still alive in September of 2010 after this letter broke and Harry Reid opened up an FBI investigation. I'm like, dude, I just think that Harry Reid could have done a little bit more besides open up an FBI investigation. I mean, I don't know. I came from a staff member, so that's vulgar. But anyway, this other victim like me, she told me that she's gotten political asylum in multiple countries and she's got the documentation and whatever. And so I've done the same thing, but apparently, when I send my documents over to a consulate, and so they look at this stuff that says like International Criminal Court, okay, that's massive, massively big. Okay, they look at as refugee status. Yeah, someone seeking, legal protection from violence in their own country. I mean, that's probably the easiest way to put it in English, but you know what? The kids need it too. Because I don't know where the kids are. They're believed to be outside of the United States. But the trouble is that I'm the only person like in this whole planet that would push this issue because they're United States kids. That's the thing. Nobody in the United States is going to push the issue under international law or with a foreign country, be it with the UN or be it with the ICC or even, like I said, a foreign government. So, does it look like someone's trying to take me out before I can save the kids? Oh, hell yeah. Oh, hell yeah. Oh, hell yeah, they are. And that's why there's all these delays. Like, you know what? I just think that someone from Homeland Security or somebody in the government, like I've got all these letters, I got this book. Okay, book of letters. Book of letters, Office of the Director of National Intelligence, National Security Agency, all kinds of stuff. I mean, you're really a Secret Service. You want to tell somebody in the government can't tell me about my son? I mean, even when I was up in Sacramento, I called down to the U.S. Attorney's Office there in Sacramento, and I left a message for the victim coordinator. I wanted to know not just where my son is, where my whole family was. I didn't even get a phone call back on that. So I'm telling you, I think that there's a lot of dead people. But you know what? I do think that the kids are still alive. Just based on the fact of knowing like 10 years of disasters, I think that they would want to continue to like use the kids just like they did before. So I'm banking on the fact that the kids are still alive. I could just get that Homeland Security inquiry from Senator Barbara Boxer's office. I mean, that could like change a whole bunch of things. But whether or not, I got to tell you, time is always not on my side. In the last 10 years, time is never on my side. Now, ideally, I would never return to the United States right now. And I would just keep pushing this issue, even if I could get this document from Senator Barbara Boxer's office, or I just have to route it another way and just base it on suggestive evidence versus real evidence. But you know what? I can't stay in a foreign country without your help. You know what? I cannot work as a nurse in a foreign country. There's too many trails of disasters with this Mark Moore and this FBI task force and all of that. There's too much of a trail if I try to be a nurse in a foreign country. So, anytime, so I got to do something else. I just have to do something else. That has to be another way I can earn money. Anytime you shop online with Avon, Avon is all online. Everything ships from Avon directly to you. You help me earn money, not just to keep the bad guys away, but help me help these kids under international law. So anytime you buy anything from the ICU's Fashion Galaxy Mall, which includes products from Damsel in Defense, Melaleuca memberships, Kitsy Lane jewelry, like I said, Avon, of course, is in there. And, shop through the Doobly Network, shop through Pure Romance. You help me earn money to replace my nursing job for the intention of seeking legal status in a foreign country and seeking legal status for these children and finding these children. So I said, I call it the Save Adrian Project. But Adrian is my son, and then there's more kids. Like I said, there might be a third child up in San Francisco, and probably more kids in the same situation. So keep that in mind. Everybody just thinks I want to leave nursing. Well, you know what? Leaving nursing is actually going to be more beneficial to me for my own safety issues, and then also to try to push these complex legal issues with these kids, like I said, under international law. So thanks for your support. Please shop the iSues Fashion Galaxy Mall, and thanks for helping out a couple kids. I'll see you next time.